YouTube. My name is Vic, and I am the Brooklyn Watch Guy. If it's your first time on my channel, this channel is all about watch buying, collecting, unboxings, and reviews in the affordable range, which I define as $1,000 or less. If you like that kind of stuff, I invite you to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so every time I put a new video up. So let's get into this video. Well, today we're going to be doing another unboxing video. And if you watched my last unboxing, you probably have an idea of what this unboxing video is going to be. So I think to be in the right spirit for it, I am wearing my Casio Pac-Man. So let's see what we got here now. It's a pretty damn big box. And I know that this watch box is nowhere near it, probably not even half the size of that. It shouldn't be, at least, because it shouldn't be a huge watch. But I opened the box because I didn't know what it was. It was just left on my porch, and I went out there and I saw the box. I was like, "What the hell is this?" And I opened it, and then I realized what it was. So I didn't actually get into the package. I wanted to do that for you guys on the camera. So let's do that together. Let's get into this. And holy dead trees, Batman! This thing is Jesus Christ! Look at that! Look at that! Talk about wasted resources. Holy crap. Oh, Jesus Christ. So, take it out of the packaging. Plastic. Very similar packaging to the Timex watch, and I have that box over here. Similar packaging. Not so much. This one's actually, the Casio is a little bit cooler. There's the watch right there. Oh, okay. Comes in a little plastic case. Oh, you know what? I take that back. This is actually much better packaging than the Timex watch. I like this. This is dope. All right, let's see how we get this out of here. Okay. You get a little instruction. Oh, it's almost popped out on me. Got a little instruction booklet down here. I did not pay that much money for it. Bullshit. I actually paid a little more for it when you factor in shipping and stuff, taxes. All right, I don't want to lose all this stuff, so let me put this back. I never read this stuff. I just leave it in there. And first impressions. I think this is ugly. that is a legit feeling right there. I think this is ugly. I don't know. It's small. That strap is actually pretty small. Oh, you know what? I thought this was like a rubber when I saw it online. It's not. These are metal links. It's pretty cool though that they have like the Timex. They got the Pac-Man graphics on it. I just think this is ugly. I don't know, guy. I don't know. How do y'all feel about this? Let me know in the comments. I mean, when you look at this and then you look at that, I think the Timex is a better looking watch. That's my opinion. But let's take it off this and see what we're dealing with. Get this stuff out the way. All right. Okay. So if you're familiar with Casio, this should be a familiar strap system. So I have it's actually the first Casio I've bought for myself in a long time. So let's take all this plastic off. Oh, that's always satisfying. There is plastic on the links here. Let's get all this off. Alright, so I took the plastic off, took it out. I mean, it's got some cool things to it. It's got the actual stage for Pac-Man in the back. And this one's a little scratched up back there. I didn't do that. And this watch looked brand new when I took it out. So I don't know how that got there. Still a little plastic down there I need to take off. If you're not familiar with these Casios, the way you adjust these is you pop this piece up and you move it up and you get it to the spot on your wrist where you think it's the most comfortable. You got your 4 pushers here. These are your functions. It has an illuminator, which I'm guessing is probably this button here. It's not gonna show on the camera, but I'll figure that out on my own. Overall, it's I don't know. I think it's ugly. I mean, I think this is much better looking, better executed. Uh, I played around with it a little bit off camera while, after I took all the stickers and stuff off, and it's just a basic functioning Casio watch. You don't even, it doesn't even make the Pac-Man music that the Timex T80 does, and this is more expensive. I think this is a little bit better built than the T80, but still, I don't know. Let me put it on my wrist, see how it looks. So crazy, I didn't need to adjust it much. It's a little loose on me. I don't think this bracelet would be a hair puller. Okay, I take that back because I actually felt a little hair pull there. I don't know. It's, I want to like it. I'm going to give it a chance. But this is the unboxing. This is not going to be an in-depth review. But I just wanted to do this in front of you guys. I wanted to show you guys how it looked and what you get when you unbox this thing. Overall, I think it's cool in concept. I'm not overly thrilled with it. This is a honest reaction that you're seeing on camera. I think it's ugly. But time will tell if I hold on to this one. So that's going to conclude this one. It's just a quick unboxing. I'll see you on my next one. Peace. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Vic, the Brooklyn Watch Guy. If you like my videos, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time I put new content up. Peace.